Hey friends, today we learn how to download videos from Facebook in 2023. For that, first of all, open Facebook. Select a video you want to download. After select a video, simply click on three dots. Click on copy link. Then close the Facebook app. Open Chrome. After open Chrome, search Facebook video downloader. Click on Save Snap, the second link. Paste link here. Then click on Download. Select the video format in which you want to download a video. And you see your video download successfully. Simply click on Open. And here you see your video. Or if you want to see on your gallery, simply open gallery. And you see your video in gallery. And you can see it. If you like our video, please subscribe.